Time check. It's 8:30. So now we are in the borders of Switzerland area. So this is Switzerland already. So goodbye to Germany. Hello to Switzerland. So this is how it looks in the area of Switzerland, from Germany to Switzerland. Okay? Okay pa mo diha? Okay pa mo diha? Ang view na to diri sa gawas. So it's really a rainy day. But still we need to go, and there's something beautiful view there. I will show you. So we are in Switzerland. That's all their houses. That's their house. You see how look their house here. Oh, the building there, and the animals there. Oh, the animals there. It's a farm. Their farm. Feels like this is a farming yes. So smells farm. Smells bad. Smell tae. Because it's a farm ganun. It's a farmland, farm area. So this is Switzerland. Rich. Did you see their houses? See their house? How it looks, their house. You see that house? Oh, that house. Oh, it's different in Norway, of course. Switzerland house. But there's similar in Germany as well. And that one, I've seen that in Germany, kind of house. So I think there is a history why their house